Passion,
collaboration,
trust,
agility,
customer delight.
At Star Rapid, it's pretty easy to be passionate. We have customers all around the world, many different countries, backgrounds, different industries, medical, automotive. So just going through the product development cycle, working with clients, figuring out solutions to problems, that's what I'm passionate about. It's the challenges and working through them, and then getting to the finish line together with success and seeing our clients succeed in their products.
Trust is not only a core value of this company, but also an important aspect of my personal life. I believe that trust holds all the other values together. Trust and integrity build reputation. Reputation takes a long time to build and often only a moment to destroy. So it's important to frequently and honestly to communicate with each other and our clients and make good on promises.
Collaboration is the key to working at Star. We are all working towards a common goal here, to produce great results and delight our customers. The HR department worked with the management team to roll out several schemes and plans to encourage collaboration among our employees. We also reward our employees when they provide valuable suggestions. Everyone's input is very critical to achieve our goals and taking Star to the next level.
Agility is not only increasing speed, but it is also adaptability to change, not just reacting to change, but to expect and even taking advantage of it. Customers would know they are dealing with an agile organization. It begins internally with every single smart and proactive employee. Agility is not just a venue, but necessary for a company to grow and evolve.
Delighting our customers is at the core of everything we do. Just meeting our customers' expectations is not enough anymore. No matter what we do, we always have our customers in mind. We need to ask ourselves, what would make our customers happy and how can we enhance their experience? Even if you are not facing the customer directly, it is important to realize that every single one of our actions directly affects our customers' experience.
It's amazing to see our clients go from designs through prototype and all the way through production, and the excitement they have when they get their parts and they have successful launches and furthermore grow their companies. It's really exciting to see that success and be a part of that within Star and with our clients.